Hi, I'm Jolie from Carlson, and I want to talk to you about the importance of vitamin D3. For starters, you might not realize it, but most of us are deficient in vitamin D. See, we're supposed to make vitamin D from the sunlight. The thing is, we wear sunscreen, and even SPF 8 blocks vitamin D by about 90%. There are vitamin D receptors in every cell of our body, every kind of tissue or organ. You might not realize that vitamin D is very important for a healthy mood. You see, you can't make serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, without vitamin D. So the only real way to know if you have enough vitamin D is to test your level. Next time you go get a checkup, have your vitamin D level measured. Lifelong and body-wide, vitamin D is very important.